And title holders Mona High are still on course to retain their Issa Walker Cup crown after a 3-2 win over Charlie Smith High at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex to secure a place in the final this on Wednesday. Franklin Mitchell, Savvy K. Morton and Jonaldo Payne got the goals for Mona, while Orlando Grant and Anthony Bryan scored for Charlie Smith.
We wanted to play our natural game along the width, but we had to make some adjustment. We changed the shape, and it worked dividend for us. We had to switch to 4 in the middle, and it solidified the game a bit for us.
Mona's opponents in the final will be St. Catherine High, who outscored Kingston College 3-2 in the second semi-final. St. Catherine broke the deadlock in the 7th minute through Dwight Gentles, and they were 2-0 up in the 44th, Kadeen Young adding more pressure on KC. However, KC cut the deficit to go into the break, Kajay Fletcher giving them a lifeline. But Gentles was back at it in the 69th to restore St. Catherine's 2-goal advantage. And even though KC got a second through Jamal Fraser 3 minutes from time, it proved to be just a consolation.
Today, we asked them to play a false 9 and block the middle, make them have to play a lot of long ball, and see them play a lot of long ball today. But just unfortunate that right before the last couple of minutes before the end of the game, we give up a goal there. Through one of our players start to get cramped, couldn't get to reach back in time. But definitely, I think they really work hard for this one, get themselves back into a final.